Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a Discord account and two-factor authentication enabled because safety matters. Next, create your server or open the one you manage and enable community and server settings. This unlocks moderation tools and insights. Once done, set basic verification levels, make clear channel categories for onboarding, and draft the roles you'll assign. This fast setup gives structure. It ensures subsequent steps are efficient and that new members land in the correct onboarding flow. You now build the onboarding flow itself. Create a hash welcome and hash rules channel and pin a concise checklist. People read pinned notes. Then configure membership screening to require rule acceptance or add a bot like MEE6 or Carl to handle reaction role assignment. Choose one method because overlapping systems confuse members. Set channel permissions so new users see only onboarding channels until they verify or accept rules. This prevents spam in main channels and funnels everyone into a single, manageable path. Finish by testing. Join with a test account to walk the onboarding path exactly as a user would, because theory rarely equals practice. Make adjustments to bot timings, welcome DMs, and role hierarchies. Ensure the bot's role is above assignable roles, and confirm channel overrides don't block visibility. Once satisfied, announce the new process to staff. If something breaks, check role order and permission overrides first. Those are the most common causes of failed role assignments and hidden channels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.